Hey guys, thanks for joining us today. Mike here at Weeby Autos. Today we have an iconic 1958 Chevy Impala. Beautiful car. Finished in like a burgundy. It's got a tan interior. Beautifully redone. Power steering, power brakes, air conditioning. Sitting on a set of moons and wide whites. It's got the skirts. Continental kit. American icon right here. So pretty. Dual exhaust. Such classic lines. Error of the fins. Seatbelts all the way around. Beautiful paint too. Super nice chrome, stainless. 327 under the hood. Fin valve covers, chrome booster, chrome alternator, aluminum radiator, modern air conditioning, power steering. Got dual fans up front, cooling everything down. Shorty headers leading to dual exhaust. Chrome heater shroud. Like a 4-barrel Edelbrock. Looks like probably electronic ignition, old school. Fresh padding under the hood. So nice. Very tristle tissue box. I like how they aired it, laid out the vents too for the air conditioning and heat. Super nice headliner too. I think it's finished in vinyl. Cool. Windows roll up and down really nice too. I love the chrome around everything, you know. Super nice. Such a classic look. Dual antennas. It's got a 3-speed automatic. It's probably a turbo 350. Really runs nice. Wipers work. It's got a custom radio in it. AC blows nice and cold. this car. Go for a cruise. Well, guys, thanks for joining us today. Again, my name is Mike from Weeby Autos. Feel free to give me a call. I'm at 631-339-0399. Check out our website, too. I probably took about 250 photos of this car. Super nice piece. Thanks a lot.